Have you ever noticed those plastic door curtains in factories and wondered, why are they even there? Today on Sit Learn, we're uncovering the reason behind these simple-looking plastic strips. These clear plastic curtains, also called strip doors, are found in many factories, warehouses, and cold storage areas. At first glance, they might seem like just a cheap way to close a door. But there's actually a lot of science and practicality behind them. One of the main reasons is temperature control. In cold storage rooms or areas where food or chemicals are stored, keeping the temperature stable is crucial. Plastic strips allow people and forklifts to pass through easily while keeping cold or hot air from escaping. This saves energy and keeps products safe. Next, they help control dust, dirt, and insects. Factories need to maintain cleanliness, especially in food production or electronics manufacturing. These curtains act as a barrier against dust and pests, while still allowing easy access for workers. Plastic strip doors also improve safety and efficiency. They're transparent, so workers can see through them, reducing the risk of collisions. And unlike traditional doors, they don't need to be opened and closed every time someone passes, saving time during busy operations. Finally, they are cheap, durable, and easy to install. Instead of heavy swinging doors or automated doors, factories use plastic strips as a low-cost solution that works for years. So next time you see a plastic door curtain in a factory, remember, it's not just a strip of plastic. It's a clever, practical solution for temperature, hygiene, safety, and efficiency. If you enjoyed learning why, don't forget to subscribe to Sit Learn for more answers to the questions you never thought to ask.